Want to bring an archived Instagram post back to life on your profile? Learn how to easily unarchive a photo or video and restore it to its original spot. Unarchiving a post on Instagram is just as simple as archiving it, allowing you to restore a hidden photo or video back to its original place on your public profile grid. So, from the Instagram app, tap on your profile, then on the 3 straight lines by the top right. In the Settings and Activity tab that opens up, look for an option labeled Archive. Inside, you should be able to view all the posts and stories you've posted on your account. To unarchive a post, first make sure you're viewing the post's archive. You can switch between the different archives by tapping on the arrow at the top. Anyways, select the post you want to unarchive. Once you do, tap on the 3 dots at the top right corner. Then, tap on Show on Profile. In the confirmation prompt, tap on Show on Profile. And just like that, the post will be available on your account again. If you found this video helpful, be sure to go on and hit the like and subscribe buttons. That's a small action from you that helps make a big difference for us. And as always, feel free to comment your experience down below. See you soon! Bye bye!